You built a beautiful WBS, so why is your schedule still chaos? Because a WBS is a list, a schedule is a sequence. I've seen this on projects a lot of times across different sectors and even outside the country. So it's not new. Kickoff is clean, WBS approved, everyone feels organized. Then week 2 hits, tasks are in progress everywhere, but nothing finishes. Stress spikes and the boss starts asking questions. Here's what most teams miss. A WBS doesn't create flow, dependencies do. When you don't bridge deliverables into sequence, your schedule becomes guesswork. So bridge this in 3 steps, which I call the J. Michael's 3B bridge. Break. Turn each WBS item into a finish line, not design UI. Say UI version 1 approved. Bind. Connect the work. What must finish before what? Who owns what? Who signs off? Block. Add real time, duration plus a small buffer because real life exists. And if in Lagos, there's traffic and some other places. So for instance, a website launch isn't one Gantt bar. It's design, content, build, quality assurance, approval, and deploy. No sequence, your dates are just vibes. Stop being a task collector. Become the bridge builder that creates flow and delivers predictably. So if you're thinking, we don't have time, you're already paying for it in delays. Please comment link for the checklist and send this to a colleague who thinks the WBS automatically equates a schedule. And for more information, please look through the comments and also please join our J. Michael's Project Management Training, which will be happening next month. Bye for now.